So as you guys can see, this thing is filthy. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. We actually have something really cool in store for you guys. We have a new vehicle, as you can see behind me. This is a 1984 Chevy Silverado, and it's four-wheel drive. It needs a lot of work, but hopefully we can get it taken care of. I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. It's gonna be really fun, so hopefully you guys really do enjoy it. But let's take a look around the car real quick. So as you guys can see, this thing is filthy. Many years, probably 15, 16 years of sitting outside, not running, not being washed. There's a bunch of mildew, a bunch of mold, and it is crazy. So this is gonna be something really amazing to be able to just wash up, kind of clean up. We do have some rust on the rocker panels down here. The driver window is busted out, but we do have a lot to just get cleaned up to kind of see where our damages lie, because a lot of the paint does have a lot of cracking in it, so a lot of it's going to have to be taken almost completely down to bare metal, which is probably the best thing we can do. But I want to take you guys along for the ride. This is going to be an amazing build. It's going to look absolutely amazing when everything's finished on it. We're going to go back with a red and white, probably not factory red and white colors, but we're going to do it a really vibrant red, really beautiful white. And hopefully you guys have some tips or tricks or anything you guys see or want to share or talk about. Let me know down in the comments below. But let's go ahead and try to get this thing washed up, clean it up, and we'll go from there. All right, we got the truck washed down and taken care of with it being clean. So we exposed some of the things that need to be gone through. We have some rust up here on the front on a lot of the lowers, but it's not that bad. We have rust underneath the rocker panels here in the back, and then as well as back here at the very back, we have some rust back here on the bumper, and the bumper is going to have to be replaced. But mainly what we're concerned about right now is going to be taking care of a lot of the rust, of the surface rust on the body, any of the rust that's actually getting through the metal panels. So that's the main thing we're going to be focusing on at the very first. But right now we wanted to clean, kind of assess the damages. Once we get the exterior done, we'll probably start on the interior. The truck does not run, so the The engine is bad, probably. We're gonna have to figure out something there, but the main thing is trying to get the body in a good looking condition. So that's the first thing we're probably gonna be doing. So hopefully you guys stay tuned for more of these episodes. If you do like it, like the video and comment down below any questions or things you would like to talk about. We have a lot of work to get done on it, so hopefully we can take you guys along for the ride. You guys really enjoy it, so let us know down in the comments below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you later.